Tired of fumbling for your Presto card every time you hop on the bus or train? Let's ditch the plastic and add your Presto card to Apple Pay for effortless, contactless travel. First, make sure you have the latest version of iOS on your iPhone and that your Presto card has a sufficient balance. Open the Apple Wallet app. It's the one with the colorful card icon. Inside the Wallet app, look for the plus sign, usually located in the top right corner, or the bottom of your screen. Tap on it to add a new card. A new screen will appear asking what type of card you'd like to add. Scroll down or search for Presto card and select it. Now, you'll be presented with the Presto card setup screen. You have two options: transfer an existing Presto card or create a new one. If you already have a physical Presto card, select transfer an existing Presto card. Follow the on-screen instructions to either scan your physical Presto card using your iPhone's camera or manually enter your Presto card number. Make sure you have good lighting and a stable hand for scanning. Once the transfer is complete, you'll see a confirmation message indicating that your Presto card has been successfully added to Apple Pay. You'll also need to agree to the terms and conditions. Your Presto card is now digitized and ready to use. You can view your card balance, transaction history, and manage your card settings directly within the Apple Wallet app. To pay your fare, simply hold your iPhone near the Presto reader until you see the checkmark and hear the confirmation beep. No need to wake your screen or open the app. And that's it. You've successfully added your Presto card to Apple Pay for seamless and convenient transit payments. Enjoy your commute.